We are standing in the heart of Midstream Ridge. This property is coming soon to the market. Something new, special, open plan. If you like entertainment, if you like space, this beautiful piece of land is waiting for you. Ready in a few days, this property will be on the market. It covers under roof just over 400 squares. The land is 1,000 square meters and the property consists of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 4 garages. We have a study, we have entertainment area, bar area, wine cellar, staff quarters, anything you're looking for, and this will be ready for occupation very soon. Let me show you something quick. This is only an appetizer. Make sure you're not missing out on the next videos that will follow. Look, follow and subscribe. And if you're a serious buyer, make sure that you definitely come and view this property. Looking at beautiful open space, living, kitchen, entertainment, everything all in an open plan. Here we have the bar area, beautiful open space with folding stacking doors. And this is not all. Let me show you the wine cellar. Optimize all the space in your house. So this is your wine cellar, private, secure, and enough space for all your wine. The property is on 3 levels. Your garage enter here, your entertainment area, living areas, and bedrooms and study on that. If you're a serious buyer and you're looking for something very nice, this is your property to come and have a look in Midstream Ridge. You can follow and subscribe to my channel, and this full video will be released in the next week or 2. When we're ready and all the pictures is done, we'll make it live and show you this beautiful property behind me. This property is also located close to the main tower and the entrance in Midstream Ridge. And if you're looking at the front of the property where my vehicle is standing, it's a large vehicle and there's definitely a lot of parking space available. So at this stage I recommend call me to experience the best quality and living style in Midstream Ridge Estate. We're ready to show you and show you this beautiful property. Look at this beautiful entrance. Space, double volume, anything you're looking for. Come in, have a look.